Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find x for b equals to 17. To solve this equation, I'm going to use the distributive property, the formula for binomial square, and the rules of exponents for product of two powers, power of a power, power of a product with two factors, and quotient of two powers. First, I'm going to use the distributive property to open parentheses. In other words, I need to multiply 2b squared with x squared and x squared with x squared. When I do that, this equals to 2b squared x squared plus x squared multiplied by x squared. Next, I need to use the formula for binomial square to expand the term b squared plus x squared in parentheses squared. When I do that, this equals to b squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times b squared x squared plus x squared in parentheses squared minus, I just need to rewrite the remaining term b squared x. Next, I need to apply the rules of exponents to simplify further. For the first term, 2b squared x squared, I can't do anything further, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Next, x squared multiplied by x squared, I need to add the exponents. 2 plus 2 is x to the power 4. Then for b squared in parentheses squared, I need to multiply the exponents, and I get b to the power 4. Then I need to rewrite the next term, 2b squared x squared. And then for the next term again, I need to multiply the exponents, and I get x to the power 4. And then I'm rewriting the next term, b squared x. As a next step, I need to transfer the terms on the right-hand side of the equation that have the variable x in them. I need to transfer them to the left side of the equation. When I do that, they change their signs. They become with opposite signs. So this way I get 2b squared x squared plus x to the 4th power. And when I transfer 2b squared x squared, I get minus 2b squared x squared. Then minus x to the 4th power plus b squared x. And what's left on the right side of the equation is b to the power of 4. Next, I need to add or subtract like terms. Like terms are the ones that have the same literal parts. For example, I have 2b squared x squared and negative 2b squared x squared. Now this is the same terms with opposite signs. Therefore, when I add them, they equal to 0 or they cancel out. Similarly, x to the 4th and negative x to the 4th are also the same terms and their sum equals to 0. Therefore, they also cancel out. And what I have left is b squared x equals to b to the 4th power. And next, x equals to b to the 4th power over b squared. And when I apply the rule for exponents for quotient of powers, this equals to, I need to subtract the exponents, or this equals to x equals to b to the 2nd power. As a last step, I can go ahead and substitute b with 17. When I do that, this equals to x equals to 17 squared. And x equals to 289 is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.